Hello, my name is Frank Khalid Liman, and I'm the CEO and founder of Kalmach Robotics. We are a robotics training and engineering company in Ghana, Africa. Now, in the spirit of this year's hackathon, I present the Robo Sterilizer. Our idea is to use UV radiation to sterilize viruses and bacteria using robots. Now, the problem: the slowdown of the world's economy caused by the COVID-19 virus is drastic. It's estimated by the UN that this is likely to cost at least $1 trillion in losses. About 44% of companies are unable to work remotely. Sadly, the lack of sterilization in many job locations is likely to make people infected or increase the risk of people being infected in offices and homes. This is where we come in. Our solution is to use UV radiation through robots to sterilize viruses and bacteria from homes and offices. Our solution works in three different ways. First is the use of a UV lamp to provide UV radiation. And now these radiations are toxic and dangerous to human beings. So instead of human beings using the UV lamps, we install these UV lamps on robots. So the robot moves in rooms and buildings and offices and hospitals, sterilizing the places. Now research has proven that UV rays is capable of destroying the DNA structure of viruses and bacteria. Now, the last thing is that we want to use a mobile app to control this robot. So a user can, from the comfort of his room, control this robot as the robot goes into places to sterilize buildings and offices. Now, the market value of sterilizing equipment is worth 12.5 billion US dollars and is growing annually at 7%. There are over 200,000 companies in Ghana alone and 4 million households that can buy this robot or can buy our product. So it works in three ways, like I said. It provides UV radiation, and these UV lamps provide UV radiation. These UV lamps are installed on robots, and then the user uses this a mobile app to control this robot. So as the user controls, the robot moves into buildings, it moves into offices and sterilizes it. So we want to sell this robot between $200 to $500 for households and $700 to $3,000 for average companies and organization. So through this, we are capable of making a profit margin between $120 US dollars to $1,005 US dollars per robot. If we're able to sell 120 units, our projection is to make a profit of 150,000 US dollars from our first 20 robots or 20 units we're able to sell. We intend to market to banks, households, and health facilities. There are numerous banks, numerous households, over 4 million households in Ghana alone, and this will be something that people will be willing to buy to sterilize their places of work and their homes. So we provide, now these robots are actually available, but they are only limited to the health sector. Our solution seeks to expand and to decentralize these robots and make them available for homes and offices. Secondly, they are going to be affordable, so anybody can easily buy these robots and use them. And now the mobile app also provides a user-friendly interface, so people with a mobile phone can download an app and through Bluetooth can use the robots to sterilize their homes. So it's user-friendly. This is our team. Thank you very much. I'm the CEO and founder.